Good morning, guys. So right now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear today. I have a few errands to run. I'm gonna do some shopping, go to Dollar Tree and Ross, and I just have some stuff to find at Dollar Tree. Don't know if I'm gonna search for new items, but yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what to wear because I do want to be cute. But yeah, I have these bottoms here from Shein. I really love these. You might recognize these from my Instagram post like, what, a week or two ago? I was rocking these, really nice. And I also have this shirt from Shein as well. They gifted me these two items, and I really like them. And I was thinking about wearing this with some like ripped jeans. It's going to be a cute and casual kind of day. You guys know how I do. And then I have this vest from City Trends. It's a store in my area. Not a vest, but like this long blouse. Really pretty. I can wear this with like a tank and some jeans. I don't know, I might do this one. I like it. And then I have these bottoms here that I found at TJ Maxx last year, and they have like splits. But yeah, I'll figure it out. I need to go downstairs and season some meat for dinner. I'm gonna make some salmon. I'm gonna cook it later, but right now I'm just gonna season it up. And normally I would have this in like a plastic bag, but I don't have any more of like my Ziploc bags, the really big ones. So I'm just gonna put it in this container, put it in the fridge, let it marinate until I get back. So I am just gonna put some salt and pepper, and I am going to be I don't know if I'm gonna grill it or I think that's enough salt. I don't know if I'm going to grill it or put it on the stove top. Not really sure yet. But yeah, I'll decide when I get back. But I'm going to be using jerk seasoning. If you guys have never had jerked salmon, you need to try it. Like, it's really good. And I really love this jerk seasoning. I get it from Kroger's, but you can also find it at like the international stores, of course. But Kroger's sells it as well. So I'm going to use the mild and the hot and spicy. I love mixing both. It tastes really good. Still working on the house, guys. So I still have a lot to do. I found a painter that's going to come out tomorrow and paint the entryway for me. And he's gonna charge a pretty good price. But yeah, I'm just gonna share that. Oh, this might be too much. This might be too much. I'll take some of it off before I cook it. But yeah, let me just work it all up in there. It's gonna be so good. All right, that's good. Ooh, that is a lot. That's gonna be really spicy. But like I said, I'll take some of it off before I cook it. But yeah, I'm just gonna stick this in the fridge. Then I am going to go get ready. I have this new wig that I want to rock from Black Hairspray. Oh my goodness. It's like some straight hair and it's long. So yeah, let me go ahead and get ready and show you guys. So I know you can't really see me, but I'm going to be doing an outfit of the day and a quick hair review. Let me turn the camera around so you can see. All right, let's turn this way. Yeah, all right, so look at this hair, guys. Oh my goodness. It is so bomb. This is probably my favorite straight wig. Oh yeah, and I cannot even remember the name of it. I'm gonna have it on the screen. But yeah, I got it from Black Hairspray. I do want to thank them for sending it to me to share with you guys. But oh my goodness, it's long too, guys. It's long, and I try not to wear long hair like this, but this wig is bomb. Yes, got me feeling myself today, okay? So I did tweeze a little bit of the hair out of the parting space, but listen, the parting space is really good, but I'm just, you know, I'm just kind of picky when it comes to that, and I just applied some powder to make it look more realistic. And that's it. Just cut the lace off and do the powder, and you're good to go. You really don't have to tweeze it at all because the parting space is a nice. They should make all units with this type of parting space because, yeah, it was really good. And the density is really nice for a straight unit. I don't like my hair to be super thick, so the density is good on here. I cannot stop touching it. Okay, let me stop. It is kind of hot, and, you know, this hair is, like, long. Ooh, oh my goodness, I am sweating. So the density is nice. The texture is yucky. This is going to tangle. I can tell you that right now because it's so long. And plus it's synthetic hair, but it feels good. It feels good. It looks great, and I'm loving it. I don't really have much to say about it because it's a basic straight unit, so there isn't much to say. But oh my goodness, guys, I am like so happy with this unit. Oh, it's so cute. Got me feeling myself. All right, let me show you guys the outfit. I'm gonna have to go to a different mirror. I need to move this ladder because this is usually where I do my outfit videos. I'm painting a house, so yeah, got a lot of painting going on. So you're gonna see that when I show you guys my outfit. Sorry. But yeah, you see the wall? I ran out of paint, so I have to go get some more. I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to also go over sis' house and just, I wanted to enjoy the weather because it feels so good. But this is the outfit, guys. So I have on this like long shirt from City Trends. It's a store in my area, and I just love it so much. I showed you guys this in the haul. I love how it has like that long flowy look, and I just tied the front up, you know, trying to give my outfit a little bit more style. I have on like a tank from Forever 21. My jeans are from Ross, and the shoes, oh my goodness, these are my favorite Just Fab shoes. Oh, do not look at my toenails. Don't look at my toenail polish because it is, yeah, I need to redo that. What was I thinking? I completely forgot I need to polish my toes because it's chipping. But yeah, this is what I'm rocking, guys. Outfit of the day. All right, so yeah, again, if you want to get your hands on this beautiful hair, oh, I have it in a color, I believe this is 1B30 because you can see like some brown in it. Yeah, but if you want to get your hands on it, I'll have it linked in the description box. I need to get like a napkin because I'm like sweating. It's hot in here. I need to hurry up and get out the door. But that is my hair and outfit for today, guys. I'm at Karen's, guys. Has to come over here and help her with her setting. She's making a wig for me. So you'll see this on her channel. If you're not subscribed, definitely go and subscribe. I'll have the information in the description box and her name on the screen right here. So yeah, she's making me a wig right now. She's really good too. Which one is this one?
I'm gonna be showing you what I'd like to call braided ponytail, African style.
It's not in the, is it in the cushion?
Huh?
Is it in the camera?
Hold on, let me turn it on. No.
It's not?
Mm-mm. The door? No.
Okay. So I can leave it
What? What just happened? The picture just snapped? Oh, this is on picture. Mm-hmm. Did you want it on picture? Alright, so I am back home. I found a lot of home decor while I was shopping, and I'm gonna do a haul. Alright guys, so as I was editing this video, my rugs from Inspire Me Home Decor arrived, and I wanted to just include it in this video. So I have this one in the beige, the 7x10, and I need to go ahead and decorate the space because I am in the process of doing a makeover. So if you're not watching that series, then I'll have it linked below. But yeah, I'm gonna do a room tour when I'm done in the room, so I'm not gonna show you the entire space. And I also purchased the runner. This is the midnight blue color, and these are the shadow rugs, and this one is the 5x7. Alright, so I found this floor lamp. I thought it was really nice. I'm not sure about it. I might return it if it doesn't look good in the space, but I like it. It's different. I haven't seen anything like this. So I figured I'll go ahead and give it a try. I just think it looks really, really like modern, but it can still fit the style that I'm going for. So yeah, I went to Home Goods and found some really nice pillows. They have more colors as well, but my sofa is navy blue and it matches so well. So well. So I picked up a few of these. And the size is 17x17, so they're kind of, you know, on the small side, but they're really nice, and they were only $5. The original price is $10, but right now they are on sale for $5. And they have a lot of colors. They have like the silver design if you don't like gold. And yeah, and then I went over to Ross and found another pillow, two actually. It came as a set, and I believe it was only $17.99 for both. Yeah, I believe it was $17.99. I don't have the tag because I took it out of the like bow that it was tied in. But I really love that shimmer. It's so nice. It's really nice. So I went ahead and got this one. And this is a 20 by 20. And I found this candlestick. I picked up two. These are $9.99 from Burlington's. And I just cannot pass them up because it has that like champagne gold color that I have going on in the family room. I cannot wait to like show you guys the reveal. But I still have a lot of stuff that I'm trying to get before I do that. But I want to complete the room before I share the reveal with you guys. So yeah, I still have a few items and I'm trying to figure out the area rug that I want to put in this space. And then I found this vase at Ross as well. This was only $16.99 and I have a few, like, let me show you guys. These are so nice. I plan to put candles in these two. And the tall one over there, I'm gonna put like some stems in, and I might change out the flowers on this one. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I definitely plan to use these in the family room because it has that pretty like champagne gold color. It's really nice. Okay, so the next thing I found at Ross is this really cute little ottoman. Look at how pretty it is. It was only $19.99 and I plan to use this in my daughter's room. And then I found these really cute blush colored butterfly knobs. They were reduced to $3.99 and I just love the color. Blush pink is like the accent color for her. And it matches so well with this ottoman. And I'm gonna take out the knob that's on my daughter's vanity and replace it with this one. And then I found some pillows at Ross and I think these are really cute. I picked up two. These were, let me find the tag, a $9.99. Very affordable, and I think these are 18 by 18. Oh no, 20 by 20. Yeah. And I was thinking about using these in my room because I have like this blush pink color in my comforter. And I don't know yet. I just wanted to pick them up and, you know, play around with them because I really do need like throw pillows on my bed. Alright, and then I found these placemats. I just needed some new ones that were navy blue because I am going to be doing like navy blue accents in the kitchen. So I came across these. They're really pretty. $6.99 set of 4. And then I found this leaf here at Ross, $7.99. I was looking for a longer one to sit on my coffee table and just like use it for the remotes, but I just decided to go ahead and get this one because it was the only one and I figured I can use this too. But I really love how cute this is. And then I picked up some LED candles. These are timers, so it'll come on automatically and turn off after 4 hours. And I needed some for the family room. And then I picked up this soap dispenser and like the toothbrush holder. I don't plan to use this in my bathroom though. Well, I'm considering it, but I wanted to get something for the kitchen to like put dish soap in and maybe like sponges and my cleaning brushes. So yeah, that's why I picked these up. Really nice. I don't know, I just might have to use them in my master bathroom because these are beautiful. And I think it'll look good in my bathroom as well, but I don't know yet. We'll see. We shall see. And the soap dispenser is $6.99. This one is $5.99. So really nice pieces. And I believe this is the last thing from Ross. This mat, super soft, and it was only $6.99. So yeah, those are all of my finds from Ross. Now I went over to Kirkland's because I wanted to get some sconces for the family room. Love the navy blue. Perfect, right? But when I took it out of the box, it's definitely not navy blue. That's teal. Okay? That is definitely teal. But on the box, it definitely looks like navy blue. It's still nice though. I'm not going to return it because I still like it. And I think it's going to match really well with this piece of art. But I really wanted to put this in the family room. I'm just not sure if I'm going to do that. Let me put it up here so you can see what it looks like side by side with the art. I mean, it looks really great with the art because it has teal in it, So it's gonna match really well. So yeah, those are all of my finds from my errands. I need to go ahead and get some dinner going now. All right guys, so I have my salmon. I did take off some of the seasoning because it was like way too much. And I just used some extra virgin olive oil. You know, put some on there as well, and I'm going to put it in the oven on 400 for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 20 minutes because if I don't, I will forget, because I'm trying to take care of other stuff and I will definitely forget about this. If I don't stay in the kitchen, then I'll definitely burn my food. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see what we're working with. Ooh, that smells really good. But does it taste as good as it smells? It tastes really good. You guys have to try it. All right, so this is my dinner. Just gonna have a lot of broccoli with my salmon, and the kids are gonna have rice and broccoli and some carrots with theirs. I did take off like the jerk seasoning from theirs. I tried to take off as much as possible so it's not too spicy. So they're gonna have it in, you know, their favorite plate. All right guys, so it is the bedtime for me, but before I go to bed, I'm just gonna get up here and fill in a nail hole. Let me bring it up some. But yeah, so I'm gonna fill in a nail hole and then I'm gonna wipe the ledge because I'm pretty sure it's dusty up there. I haven't cleaned in a while. And then I'm going to bed. Actually, I'm gonna clear out this area. Just move this cabinet, the rug. Yeah, I'm just gonna clear out this area. Just bring all this stuff into my office. But yeah, let me go ahead and take care of that now. Alright guys, so I am done getting this area prepped for the painter. Well, he's not supposed to do the entire area. I found someone that's going to just get the upper half of the wall. If they were to do the entire thing, they would charge more, but I'm just like, you know what? Your price is going a little too high for me, so if you can just do the top part and just charge me for that, that would be great. I can finish the rest. I have a ladder. I can hit up these areas with ease. But if you can get up there for me, because I definitely cannot get all the way up there, that would be great. And you know, the guy that came out to do the estimate was like, okay, yeah, we can do that for you. It's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. That'll be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.